Hello, BMHs. This would be the second part of the series where we help newbies on how to earn money. If you haven't watched the first part, make sure to check our previous video out on this channel. So, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about UHRS. UHRS, which stands for Universal Human Relevance System, is a platform which was developed by Microsoft. Here, a variety of different tasks are assigned to its workers. Basically, it was developed to improve Microsoft's search engine called Bing. As you guys must know, Bing, it is a very famous search engine. So, UHRS partners with different companies for crowdsourcing, which means companies who recruit large amount of people like Clickworker, OneForma, Quadrant Resource, and many others. It provides micro jobs, also known as hits or hit apps, which means they're short and usually easy to complete. You can access UHRS by joining through these crowdsourcing companies that I mentioned, which are also known as UHRS vendors. Currently, five of these companies are recruiting UHRS workers. They are as follows: ClickWorker, Quadrant Resource, Appen, Datamine, and LandBridge. And these are the ones which have closed registrations for now: Teamwork and OneForma. Now, I will briefly explain how to join these platforms and start earning. Alright guys, now I will briefly explain how you can join these vendors and get access to UHRS. Basically for all these sites the process is very similar, so you will get the hang of it once you join through the first vendor. Anyway, all the links that I've opened here right now will be available in the description for you guys. I've also ran these vendors according to my preference and how many hit apps are available for each of them, so I will go through them in order right now. There's also LandBridge and Appen, but to keep this video concise, we will talk about these websites in later videos. Alright, to get started, I have chosen ClickWorker. So you will be landed on this page, and all you have to do now is just to click sign up. Okay, so for this all you have to do is now is just to fill out these basic details. I'll just show you in a moment. Okay, so the main things that you have to fill out are these star labeled things. So once that is done, you have to confirm your email, and then you will be brought to, let me show you, you will be brought to this page, like a similar looking page to this, and you can now fill out your profile details. The payment details are not necessary to access right now, but you can fill that out later. Um, the main thing that you have to do now is just to click on assessments. Now, for you guys, there will be a base assessment available. For me, it isn't available because I've already completed it. So once you have completed the assessment, you can you can see it here. This is the UHRS assessment. Qualify for special projects on UHRS. You will be needing to pass this assessment. So once that is done, we provided the credential of UHRS in the sign up process only. Keep in mind you can't access UHRS through your own ID. You need the credentials that you will make during the sign up process. So now once all of that is done, all you have to do now is just to go in the home page. Now you will see this thing here, that is to log into UHRS. This will be available to you now. So you have to click on this. Okay, so you will be brought to a page like this. Keep in mind that you have to that UHRS get expired after every 8 hours, so you have to renew your session every time you log in. Okay, so there will be a link like this to for you guys too. So and a ClickWorker ID from which you have to sign in. So all you have to do now is to just to click this link, and then you will be brought to the UHRS page. So you now you have the credentials and you can sign in. So then you will be brought to the UHRS interface. So I can't show you right now due to the UHRS terms and conditions. So yeah, this will be all for the first vendor. Now we will be moving along to the second vendor, that is Quadrant Resource. Let me just pull that up. Okay, so this is the homepage for Quadrant Resource that you will first see. All you have to do, it is a very similar process, so all you have to do now is just to sign up and fill out the same details. So These are all the simple details. It is even easier than ClickWorker. So now once that is done, you will go to a page like, let me show you. Yeah, you will be brought to a dashboard like this. Okay, so now all you have to do is fill out your profile information. So, in ClickWorker, these star ones are the most important ones. So make sure to fill that up. Also, you don't need to fill out the whole profile. Yeah, also you don't need to fill out your whole profile. As you can see here, my profile is only 75% completed and it already shows approved. So only these star mark things are important. So once that is done, all that is done and your profile is 75% completed, assessment would be unlocked. As you can see that I've already qualified for the English assessment. So all you need to do to get access to UHRS is to just to qualify for this assessment. So you can also do the Hindi assessment, but I don't think it's available right now. After you've completed and qualified for the UHRS assessment, you will be given the UHRS credentials and will be asked to create an Outlook account through these credentials only, similar to ClickWorker. You will be now you can see in the UHRS account that the credentials here would be available, and you can just simply go to the UHRS website and log in through these credentials only. Alright guys, so now as we move along, these vendors might not have as many as hit apps as compared to ClickWorker or Cordant resources, but I will still go through their sign up process very quickly. So the third vendor is Apin. I will just click on apply here. The sign up process is very similar now, as you can see. You will just fill out these basic details here. Once you have created the account, you will be brought to a dashboard similar to the ones we have seen before. Okay, so this one is a little bit more different, I would say. The main thing is you have to go to all projects here. The main thing that people get confused around here is which one of these, all of them project is the UHRS project. So you need to keep in mind that the Crescent project is the UHRS project. So all you need to do is just to apply here. Since I've already applied, the apply button is not showing here, but as you can see for other projects, there is an apply button. So once you apply, you need to just fill out your basic details like email address. And once that is confirmed, you will have an active process as you can see here. So the qualification it takes a bit of time, but after it is confirmed, you will get an email that you have been successfully entered into the Crescent project, and you can then just create your user ID and start working in UHRS. All right, guys, moving on to the next vendor, that is DataMime. I guess this one is the most easiest to complete since it doesn't have any assessment. All you need to do is click on register. Also, while making this video, I just realized that I think their registration site is down right now. But no worries, it would be available soon. So you can register on here later on. So once you have registered here, it's very simple. All you need to do is just the main thing is you need to turn on two-factor authentication here. Make sure this is turned on to receive payments. Other than that, once you have completed the whole of your profile, you can just access UHRS through here. Okay, so finally moving on to the last vendor now, that is OneForma. So I've given you the link in the description here. All you need to do here is just to fill out this and just click on here after you have done filling this all these details up, and you will after this you will receive a mail to that you are accepted in OneForma. So basically, OneForma is a bit like ClickWorker. There are plenty of other jobs except I guess UHRS too. So you click on jobs here. Right now, the thing is UHRS is not available, but when it is available, you can just join it through. There will be an opportunity here, and you can join it through here. All right, so I guess this will be all for this video. In the coming video, Dollar Hacks will explain and go in more detail about Apin and LineBridge. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, stay safe and happy ending, guys.